Today in the video here, we finna talk about basically the rule of 69 and why I prefer that over speculative investing. I know I kind of hinted at it in the last video. I ain't really get too deep into it. So with long-term investing, you got a pretty good idea of what your money gonna do. The rule of 69 is one of those rules that you use, right? So it's basically saying you take your rate of return that you assuming you get and you divide 69 by that. So I take 69 and assume I got a 10% rate of return, right? So I divide 69 by 10 and I get 6.9, right? So 6.9 years is how often I'm expecting my money to double in value. So that's pretty safe. You know what I'm saying? People use the rule of 69 a lot as part of a long-term investing plan. And we'll just kind of look at Dave Ramsey's investment calculator. So I'm 25, and let's say I want to invest some money for 30 years. Start with none. Let's say I start with none because let's say I had 4,000, but I threw it all into some crazy meme stock and I missed. A lot of people doing stuff like that. So let's say I contribute 300 a month, and we're gonna go with 10% returns, right? So you got $570,000 as your growth. What did I say, 4,000? Let's just go with 4,000. Let's say I could have started with that 4,000. Now I got 645 in growth. That's a lot of money. It's almost $80,000 that you're missing out on over the span of, investment. So if that 4,000 won't turn it into 80,000, then what was the point? What's the odds you really about to turn 4,000 into 80,000? That's how I play the game, and it's like that's why I try to make sure I'm at least telling people that these options is out here because everybody only gonna talk about the popular stocks, the big name stocks, right? So that's gonna lead us into the market update. So you got the QQQ, which is basically the Nasdaq, right? The Nasdaq is all your high flying stuff, your Teslas, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Facebook, Nvidia, Intel. They in the semiconductor space. I love semiconductors still, right? PayPal, all that kind of stuff, all the big name stuff that everybody be posting about. So it's real typical for new investors, and this is no shame on nobody because this is how I came in the game. I came in the game like I'm buying Tesla, I'm buying Facebook, I'm buying Google, Apple, Microsoft. That's literally all I had in my portfolio. So I got lucky because I came in right when the pandemic hit and I didn't know what was going on. But you got a lot of new people coming in this year after the last stimulus package and stuff. So people just broadcasting saying, hey, just put your money in here, it's gonna go up. But I'd be like, hey guys, chill out, relax. It's not going like that no more because of boom, 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 X, Y, and Z. You go look at my previous videos. I've been saying it. I'm not like an I told you so person. It's just I'm real hopeful that people pay attention to the YouTube channel and at least, what I'm saying, like take into consideration that stuff can change and stuff will be different. So you look at the QQQ and the performance it's had over the previous month, almost 6%, 7.3 over the past 3, 25% over the past 6 months, right? So we're looking at the performance down here. But you type in something, like I have been saying in my previous videos, value is going to outpace high growth because of how bond yields, interest rates, and all that stuff playing out. We predicted this stuff. I mean, everybody knew it. But if you are an inexperienced investor, and I ain't super experienced, I just got somebody in my ear that's teaching me stuff, and I'm willing to listen. So they telling me the game, give me the ropes. So I'm like, dang, you right. So boom, 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 right? So now you look at something like BTV, which is Vanguard's value ETF. Remember, this 5%, 7%, 25 on QQQ. You look at that performance, it's outpacing the QQQ. That's crazy good. Like that getting those type of gains from VTV for one is crazy, and then for the fact that it's outpacing QQQ, that's wild. Now that's not to say that it's better than QQQ. You shouldn't buy QQQ because I'm still buying my Tesla stock, my Apple stock, my Amazon, all that stuff. It's just that I don't have 30% of my portfolio allocated to Tesla no more. Now I literally got 1%. You feel me? So that's how we playing the game. And we got this group chat where we talk about all this stuff on a day-to-day basis. It's 1069 a month. We on WhatsApp. So you can comment on this YouTube video and let me know if you want to join. We'd be glad to put you in there. And we've been calling out plays like we really been hitting My portfolios, my accounts been at all-time highs. Like out the past like 15 trading days, I say they've been on all-time highs for like 12 or 13. So we really just doing our thing in the group chat. And we willing to, you know what I'm saying, talk about it, teach people all that stuff. But basically this message here, and to conclude and just recap, remember the rule of 69 and think about that money that you dumping into like a Dogecoin or like a meme stock. If it's a couple thousand, just imagine what that couple thousand can do for you if you just invest it safely. You still getting massive returns. You saw that 4,000 was worth 80,000 over the course of 30 years, right? Just investing it at 10%. You go throw that 4,000 into something else like a meme stock. You might double it up to 16. You might triple it to, you know what I'm saying? You might go 4 to 25 or something. It's still not 80,000. How you gonna do that again? How many times you gonna have to do that a couple times before you get up to 80,000? That's a lot of luck. That's a lot of pressure. That's hard. That's tough. Not to say it can't be done, but people been hitting like crazy. But you see how the market been moving. Value is beginning to finally outpace tech and high growth. You see what type of volatility you got in the crypto market. Elon Musk go say the wrong word, his shoe untied, crypto start falling. I ain't got no beef with crypto. It's just a matter of I don't like no one person controlling how my money finna be. You know what I'm saying? I wake up, he done tweeted the wrong thing. Now my portfolio dropping 30%. Bitcoin down like 22% in the past week. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't with all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? So you just got to be prepared for that volatility, right? So I put like 1% of my paycheck into cryptocurrency, and it's been mostly Ethereum lately, right? But when Bitcoin dropped below, like when it get around like 45, I might throw like an extra 100 in there. Ethereum get around like 32 or something, I might throw like an extra 100 in there. But I'm not pressed on getting into rushing into crypto with the way the market turning with rates and stuff coming in. So just kind of take your time with it, man. Just go month by month. Just put a good amount in. You know what I'm saying? So just roll with it like that. Like just take it nice and slow, man. Really, like you really got to remember that the tortoise really beat the hare, and just kind of stay off the internet with this stuff for real. Like a lot of people gonna misguide you, and they're not doing it out of ill intentions. A lot of people just haven't experienced getting burned. They ain't experienced no heavy correction. You know what I'm saying? They ain't experienced that kind of stuff. And I've only experienced a couple of them, and I know they suck. So that conservatism kind of get beat into you a little bit. You feel what I'm saying? So just roll with that thing like that. Stay tuned in to the channel. We should have some big stuff coming soon for sure. And we just been eating, man. We just been eating. And I wish the best of luck to everybody. So make sure y'all like and subscribe. Do the whole turn your notification thing on, right? So comment, let me know if it's something that you feel like I should be investing in. All that good stuff. We definitely willing to listen to anything. So let us know, man. And again, good luck to all y'all. You know what I'm saying? So peace out. We'll be back. The Crab Chat will be back real soon. So I'll holler at y'all.